already did two clips of me getting ready.
So now she about to make me some breakfast.
I'm gonna make myself breakfast as well.
And so what she got is some turkey bacon.
Is turkey bacon healthier than real bacon?
Turkey bacon, yes. She got eggs and some raisin bread. And I want cheese in my eggs. Yeah, some cheese. So we're just gonna watch her make me breakfast. I'm always making her breakfast, so she gonna make me some breakfast this morning.
17.
That's a lot of butter, honey.
No, I'll put a little bit and then I'm putting this much.
How many pieces of bacon you gonna cook yourself?
2. This is yours.
No, put yours in there too.
Yeah.
And slide it over with your spatula. And put your other piece of bacon in there.
I didn't know it could fit like 5 pieces. I thought it only fit like 3. So they won't be so close. There's a...
Now rinse off the thing. That means you didn't.
Are you recording?
Yeah, she dropped the spatula. She rinsed it off.
We clean up in here.
Turn your fire down too, and you gonna need a fork. So.
Well. Hurry up.
I don't know about y'all, but I love breakfast food too. But
What? I told
sometimes we don't eat breakfast in the morning. We go straight for like
we don't eat
tacos and
like leftovers.
Yeah. But today she gonna cook. She cooking, which is fine with me. You need to get you a plate and put some paper towel. Put a paper towel in it. On it. You using a paper plate?
Yeah.
This for your bacon?
Yeah. I'll be different highs and lows.
My baby growing up on me. I remember she was just a little girl, a little baby, biting everybody when she was 2 and 3. But she didn't. But she has calmed down totally a lot. I thought she was gonna be very bad going to school, but that quickly changed. You know.
I'll be different highs and lows. Let me split this over so this one and this one can get some love.
She is a walking TikTok, if y'all ain't know. Just a walking, just TikToking.
I'll be there for the highs and the lows. Can't go on this road.
Make sure you flipping my bacon now. I don't want my bacon to burn.
It's not gonna burn. I've been doing this for years.
How long you been doing this?
Like 2 months.
Right, you talking some years.
It smells so good. So good. So good. Scoot that over. Flip. Flipping flop.
And yes, she washed her hands before she even started cooking.
We have to be cleaned up in here. Yeah, we're gonna. Yep, we have to be clean. I need to wash my face. I'm watching it while I'm watching y'all. Something bad. You. That's really my hands.
Okay, we're gonna come back
When I'm done with the bacon.
Yeah, when she's done with the bacon, we're gonna start with the eggs and see how she do with the eggs.
I'm good at making eggs. I may make an omelet.
I don't want no dang omelet. I want some scrambled eggs.
I want
with
an
cheese.
omelet.
All right, we'll be back.
Bye.
All right, so we back. She about to crack some eggs and put it up. Whoa.
Oops. Pluck that out.
She dropped the shell in there. She got it out. And we criticizing. She ain't learning.
Yeah, that was like my second time doing that. Okay, one's in there. One's shell.
Okay, let me get a spoon. Get a plastic spoon and get it out.
Got it out.
All right, come on.
Sorry.
Put your hands all in the fucking eggs.
But
I should have used the egg.
But they clean, so my hands are clean.
I got all those seasonings out right here. And don't put too much salt.
You mean pepper?
Salt or pepper, both of them. You gotta watch her. And she wanna put garlic in the eggs.
Not too much salt because
Not too much.
I put some on my hands first. Oh, that's a little too much.
Because she thinks you're a professional. All right, mix it in.
Sorry, y'all, for me doing that. But my hands are clean, so don't be judging. Hands are clean.
All right. Throw them eggshells away. You don't have to put your cheese in there yet. You can put it in there when you put it in the pan.
Okay.
Throw your eggshells away though. She making a mess. She don't know how to clean up as she cooking. She got our eggs done. Our bacon done.
We gotta use every single thing because we do not waste food.
Put it in the dishwasher. Put it in the sink.
Oh, y'all want to see my bacon? I finished it.
I just showed them. Take it easy. You messing up.
Sorry.
Use the spatula. Did you even put butter in there?
No.
Put some butter in. You messing up now.
Sorry.
No, just put this. Put this butter. It's too late for the spray.
I'm not professional, y'all. If y'all want next video, we might do a Q&A.
Let me
Scramble it.
yeah, cause
Can I put some in there?
yeah, put some of that in. All right.
Oh, they look good. Let me first put them over there.
She's making my eggs stick to a pan.
Our eggs.
And I'm gonna teach her how to do the
Bread.
yeah.
Oh, you know.
I like how I want my raisin bread toasted with butter.
I know how to do it. You spread this on there, and then you put the bread in there.
No, I like country crock in my on my bread. All right, the eggs are done. So now we're about to start with the bread.
Pretty good. Want me to get a plate?
No, you can leave it in here while you cook your the bread. All right, we back. She started eating already.
A little bit. 'Cause I'm hungry.
She was just asking me, does cream cheese go on raisin bread? And I said, she told me, is that a white thing or is it a black thing? And I just told her, I don't know, it's good. And she said, what made you come up with it? I'm just like, I don't know, I just had it in my head to see if it was good. Could you put cream cheese on a bagel? That's bread.
My mom, like, I made this bread right here. I made this right here. She burnt hers.
Yeah,
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
burnt mine,
She was
y'all.
talking about me.
I was talking about her,
Boston.
but I burnt mine.
Okay. This is like a mukbang, kind of. But we made the food.
I think when they do mukbangs anyway, I think they make their own food. Unless they go like to a restaurant and grab some food.
Okay, we want to talk about our week. But
Oh, you want to go first? You want to talk about your week? I didn't really have a bad week.
Me either. But this one boy.
Don't say no names, just
Okay, I'm going to tell y'all.
the story.
Just sorry. There's one boy, like my friend, he was very short. There's one friend, like, he liked me.
He like you.
And then he like one of my friends now.
He like one of your friends.
Now he's like one of my friends. Oh, it was okay. It wasn't bad. It was okay. Your turn.
If y'all don't know, Serenity got a little cute little teacher, but he's super young.
Mama, like, why are you talking about my teacher?
He cute.
Well, one of my friends told me that a lot of girls in fifth grade like him.
What they doing like a grown man? That's a grown man. Even though he young, he's like, what did he say he was? 23.
13 years difference.
How many years?
13.
She did that math fast, huh?
13, 12. Because he told us that 12 years ago he was in
High school. If y'all never tried no raisin bread and cream cheese, toast that mug with some butter.
We put you on.
It's bomb. I don't tell you nothing else.
I don't really like cream cheese. It's okay, but I want to try it today.
Yesterday she didn't try it. When she went to school, she just ate the bread. bread and eggs.
Hi, Ken. I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Wrapped in plastic. It's fantastic. You can brush my hair.
Sunday, so what you want to do?
Anywhere.
What else do you want to do on this YouTube? What else? What you want to show them? Because you have a personality, honey. And you just, sometimes you don't even know that you're funny. And you're,
I know I'm funny. I know I'm funny.
And you're funny.
Sometimes I'm funny.
You added more cheese to your eggs?
That's better. What do we talk about? You're weak. You're weak. Come on.
Oh. I didn't really have a horrible week this week. It went fast for me. I was ready for the weekend, like always. I'm always ready for a weekend. Only because I get up so early. I get up at like 4:30 to be at work by 6:30. Sometimes I'm late. I'll be late. 6:45. I'll probably get there.
At 7.
6:45. No later than 6:45. I'm there.
But like, excuse me for my birthday. But like, what are you like doing at work? What do you do there?
I don't think I can talk about my job though.
Okay. Is your work hard to do?
No. I mean, it can be. When you're working with people.
Ooh.
When things don't go their way, or things don't go my way, then it can be a struggle. But other than that, I'll be chill.
I be recording in class. I'm not supposed to. Because I be bored. Yeah. That's what I be doing in class
But
sometimes.
you're supposed to be learning.
No, it was like at the end of the day. When we be leaving. What does he want to
This bomb. It's like a sweet type of deal here.
What you want to talk about? What else do you want to talk about?
What you want to talk about?
I don't know. Like, more about ourselves. Because we only told him like a couple questions last time.
You want me to ask you questions?
Sure.
Need you ask me questions?
Sure.
Okay, you go first.
You
asked me 5 questions that you wanted to know about me. Don't be all who was your boyfriends and stuff like that.
Okay.
Don't ask me that. But you ask me 5 questions that's YouTube friendly. Okay? That you wanted to ask me that you never asked me before. Alright, you can go.
How old were you when you had me?
23. You were born in June. I had my birthday in November, so I was 23.
What do you think was going to be a hard part about having me?
I was nervous. First, I was nervous when I got pregnant with you. Yeah, I didn't believe I was pregnant.
You took a lot of tests.
I took like 7 pregnancy tests. I'm like, this test wrong. This test is wrong. I ain't pregnant. I'm still young. I'm trying to do my own thing. But I took 7 pregnancy tests.
And then here I am.
I ended up showing my mama. I'm like, Mama, when you come home, can you look at this and see if I'm reading this right? Right?
No, I said
And so she was like, yeah, when I get off, she had work down the street from where I live. And she came over and she was like, yeah, you pregnant. But I didn't want to believe it. It took a while for me to believe it.
Mom, I saw a video yesterday. It was like, they had these old pregnancy tests. It's not like the pregnancy test that we have now. You have to smell it, and if you gag like that.
Them some play pregnancy tests.
Huh?
Them play pregnancy tests.
No, they're not play. They're like back in the day. Like,
How would you know if you pregnant from the smell of pee?
no, you like pee on it, and then when if you gag like that, that's how you know you're pregnant.
But how would you know you're pregnant?
By the tests. Wow.
That can't be right.
No, okay, never mind. That's how I will do it though.
Next question.
What's your favorite thing about me?
There's a couple of things. This girl's a Gemini. So she gonna tell you when you're wrong. She gonna tell you why you do this and why you do that. Just the other day, could I tell him?
Tell him what?
About what you said to me to not do to your daddy.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm at work. Was I at work? Was I at work? Oh, I was calling her to let her know to get up and come on, start getting ready for school because I have to leave out before she go to school. And yes, there's an adult there with her before she go to school. But sometimes I don't like waking my little brother up to get my baby ready for school. I'll call her phone and be like, hey, it's time to get up. So she said, oh, my daddy text me saying he got my shoes and they on their way. And I'm like, was it the shoes that you wanted? And she like, no. And I'm like, okay, well, I'm finna call him and let him know he fucking dead wrong for picking out your shoes. And she's like, Mama, you can say something, but don't be going all hard because you know how you get. You just go hard. And I'm like, okay, whatever. If he piss me off, then I'm gonna say what I want. But she kept on saying, don't go hard. Don't go hard on him. Somebody need to go hard on him. But yeah. Or she'll be she's very sassy. She get mad at me real quick. She got an attitude problem sometimes.
Next question. Next.
Now you want to go to the next question. She be extra.
I can tell y'all that I be extra sometimes.
Yeah, she knows she extra.
I admit to it.
All right. Next question to ask me.
Why do you want to start YouTube?
We already answered that.
Well, those are the only questions I have. You can give me one.
I told you give me 5. You gave me 2.
When you was my age, did you like the color? What was your favorite thing to do?
I ain't like to do no girly stuff when I was your age. I was outside with the boys. I was a tomboy. I was playing football, basketball, kickball. I ain't do none of the skincare stuff that she's doing to her face. I never done none of that. I was dressing like a little boy. And I was dressing like a little boy, playing football in the street like a little boy, beating on little boys. That's how I learned to fight. But I grew up with all my uncles. I had an uncle that's only 3 years older than me, so. And then plus, my uncles them used to write on my baby dolls. They used to make Chucky dolls out of my baby dolls. And try to scare me, yeah.
Want you to be back?
I know. I remember my Uncle Tez drew on one of my baby dolls, and he drew on it with a pen. He had made some I don't know what it was, but he tried to scare me at nighttime, and I wasn't even scared. I was just like, "Why you write on my baby doll?" I remember that. I will never forget that.
Okay.
I used to get tortured. By my uncles.
What sport did you play?
I used to cheer. But then I quit cheer. Because the lady wanted me to run 2 miles. And I wasn't feeling it. So I ain't run. So I was like, Mama, I quit. And she was like, okay. But it was an on and off thing. I would quit something, then I would want to return. I would want to go back.
Your question for me.
Yeah, one more question.
What's your favorite color?
You know that answer to that.
Do they know the answer? No. Right? Do we ask? I don't think we did.
My favorite color is blue. It don't matter what shade of blue.
Like this, y'all. This blue.
That's purple.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Let me ask you some couple of questions. Before you do, can you get my soda out the freezer? And a napkin. Thank you.
Okay.
You asked me my favorite color. Favorite color is blue.
Let's get some.
Hmm?
Let's give some to me.
What's my turn to you?
You asked me questions.
I just asked you questions.
What?
It's time for you to ask me questions. Crazy?
Huh? I just asked you questions though.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You didn't just ask me questions? Oh, yeah, you're right. I said, oh, okay. I'm tripping, y'all. Before we moved to Arizona, did you want to move to Arizona?
If I knew it was. We're back.
We're back. I'm gonna hurt this little girl. She done deleted the video, so now I gotta ask her.
Not the whole video.
I gotta ask her the questions all over again.
Okay.
Since you have your passport, right? What 2 places in the world would you like to go to?
Africa and
What?
Louisiana. Oh, not Louisiana. I'm sorry. Africa and Paris.
Africa and Paris. Okay.
I
wouldn't mind going to
big forehead. No, Mom, let's start.
I wouldn't mind going to Africa. Why you pick Africa? I already know why you pick Paris, but why you pick Africa?
Because I'm African.
Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
What? What's it got to do with it, Serenity?
I'm African American.
Yes, you're African American.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Did you know?
What did you want to see what you want to see in Africa? I want to see like the animals, the wild animals.
Cheese with the big boys. I'm joking. Okay, that's it. That's fine. What I want to see in Africa, I don't know.
I want to see the motherland. That's
What's the motherland?
Africa's the motherland.
Or maybe. I don't know. I want to go see Africa.
Okay.
Because I'm African.
This girl is tripping. What else I asked you? My daughter is goofy, y'all. She very goofy. I don't know where she get that from, but she very goofy. She pointed at me. I asked you what college. I asked you if you were going to college. Are you going to college when you turn 18?
Yes, y'all. Yes.
And what college would you like to go to?
Megan Thee Stallion one.
The Megan Thee Stallion one? No, it ain't no Megan Thee Stallion college.
The one that she went to.
She went to Texas. She went to a college in Texas. I want to look it up.
I'll be there for the highs and lows. Keep you in mind if my heart gets broke. By your side if I'll go to the college down here to be closer to my mom.
No, you can go to a college far. I want to come and visit you. I want you to experience that though, because I never got to experience that. I went to a community college, which was whack. I wish I would have went like to live on campus and stuff like that. My stuff probably was Texas State University. That's what I think she went. I think she went to TSU. Yeah. That's what I think she went. But I want you to experience that. I mean, if you don't like it, then you can transfer to a different college once your semester is over with or the year is over with. But get to experience the experiences that's out there and stuff like that. And if my baby don't like it, I will politely go pick her up, get in my car and go pick her up. But don't waste my money. And why would you want to go to Texas University? You know that's like a black college.
Yeah, like, not to be rude and not to be racist, but I would like to go to a black college.
But that's just you, you know.
Yeah, that's just me. That's just me. I want to go to a black college, and like I know they have a dance team. I might try to dance there. And I'm gonna take like 2 classes. I'm
2 classes.
A doctor class, and a business class. If when I get tired of doing being a doctor.
You want to do business? You want to do business and management? That's what your uncle got a degree in.
Who?
Keytrick.
Oh. And you don't have his own business?
Not yet. He's trying to, but he ran a enterprise. He was running an enterprise when he got out of college. But what else? What else I want to know? And I know things gonna change when you get older. You might say, "Hey, mama, college is not for me, honey." But my goal is to
at least achieve to go to college.
Go try it out.
Since you didn't finish, I want to be the one that finished.
That's right, baby. Because I went to college for 2.5 years, and I didn't finish.
That's okay too. Some people, it's not meant for them.
What else? Oh, I said I wanted to. We ain't going to Jamaica this next year because we went 2 years in a row, and I want to take you to Disneyland. What are you doing? What in the world? And I want to take you to Disneyland. So
they're looking at me. Look, they're looking at me.
Who looking at you?
They looking at me. Damn, they're looking at me.
Okay, so you tripping. Oh my God. But this is her.
See, look, they smiling at me. Look. Hi, y'all.
Hey, y'all. All right, our video come to an end because this girl is acting.
Okay. Ask another question.
Ask another question.
Yeah.
And my man.
Thank you for my man.
And my man.
Thank you to my man. I want to say thank you to my mom. And my mom. Thank you to my mom. And my man. Thank you to my man.
I got a question. Serenity, so once once we accomplish our goal for YouTube or whatever, who would you like to connect with?
Like
on
collab?
YouTube? Yeah, on YouTube.
For real, myself.
Sorry, you can't keep on saying yourself, bro. Like somebody that you really, really watch.
Like, can I like sponsor? Like, do sponsors?
No, because that's gonna come eventually. No, I'm talking about like other YouTubers. Who would you like to collab with?
Darman.
Darman?
I would love to be in one of his videos.
That's kind of neat. Okay. Tell them about Darman. What's Darman? I know he has a lot of positive videos that you should watch.
He like teaches people lessons. So you see, like that's one of his messages. He has merch. I would like to do that so I can set an example for other kids. Like it's okay to be this or that or this or that.
I see y'all watching Darman videos all the time, and I'm like, what is this, Ernie? What are you watching? Who else? Somebody funny. Somebody.
Kevin Hart.
Kevin Hart.
I'm joking now. I'm sorry, Kevin Hart. No.
But Kevin is funny though. I like Kevin Hart. Who I would like to collab with?
Yeah, who would you like to collab with?
Or interview? I would love to interview
Nick.
Yeah, I just like Nick so much. I don't know what it is.
Nick, follow her. Like she would really appreciate that.
I don't know what it is. I like Nick. And then like the relationship that she in, I think is very genuine, you know, and she's very genuine. I don't know. I just like her. I be looking for her videos every day, like typing in Nick on in YouTube, and I be like, dang, I already watched that video. When she gonna come out with another video, you know? But I'm just waiting patiently.
So cool. CJ's so cool. I would like to collab with him.
You like to? Now he ain't that far. He like 5 hours away. We can drive if you want to do CJ So Cool and his daughter Kamari.
Yeah.
That's kind of cool.
Kamari now she's 6 right now.
She in the 6th grade? She older than you? Oh, she a year older than you?
Oh, if y'all that's watching this video, go back to our other video and start watching that after this video.
Yeah. And I noticed that y'all couldn't even comment on the video, but I have to change that. So just like hit the notification
That's
bell.
all y'all have to do. Just like a button.
Okay.
Subscribe.
You sound like that girl off of Tyler Perry movie.
Let's not try to be like him.
Byron!
If y'all haven't watched it, I'm watching you.
Byron! But I think that's it. Unless you got some more questions for me, sweetie. Sweetie.
Who do you like?